What's up, Peak Timers? It's case unboxing time, and today we are unboxing the 2020 Hot Wheels L case. The regular treasure hunt for this case is the Dune Daddy, and the super treasure hunt for this case is the Chevy pickup. We also have a chance to get a Hot Wheels ID Batmobile. If you want to get your own Hot Wheels cases, go check out granitoys.com. You can subscribe so you can receive every new Hot Wheels release case as fast as possible. I will link them in the description box below. I also have a huge giveaway going on right now, so make sure you go like my Facebook page and subscribe to me here on YouTube, and you are entered in to win. All right, let's go ahead and unbox the 2020 Hot Wheels L case. We will start it right up at the top right here. And first one we see is the 1992 BMW M3 Police Edition. Then we've got the 42 Willys MB Jeep, and we've got the 1986 Monte Carlo SS. Next, we've got, looks like a brand new casting, one that I've been really looking forward to. It is the 2019 Kia Stinger GT. I can't wait to open this one up on our next video. HW450F and the Too Tough. Moving on to our next ones, we've got Electro Silhouettes, we've got the Formula E Gen 2 car, and Batcopter. We've got the Nissan 300ZX Twin Turbo, a brand new recolor of the Shelby Cobra 427 SC, very nice looking, and a brand new casting, the Land Rover Defender 90. Really like that one. Nice. All right, what else do we have? Datsun 620, the Mad Props, and Night Dragon. Then we've got the Night Dragon again. We've got the TV series Batmobile, and we've got another one of the Kia Stinger GTs. Then we've got the 1969 Camaro. We've got Roger Dodger 2.0, and really cool looking new casting. It is Alpha Pursuit Police Edition. That's really neat. I like that. And then we've got the black Audi RS5 Coupe. We've got the Baja truck and a clip rod. We've got the Alpine A110 Cup car, new silver color variation, 92 Ford Mustang, that's an art car, new color variation as well, and the TV series Batmobile. We've got the 69 Dodge Charger 500, La Fasta, and another one of these Land Rover Defender 90s. We've got the Hot Wheels armored truck, the 57 Chevy, and that's just the standard one, not a super. And we've got the Nissan 300ZX Twin Turbo. 49 Ford F1. We've got the 2010 Chevy Impala, and it looks like we have a new recolor of the Corvette Z06, now in white. Moving on to the bottom of the case. Let's check out what we have up here. We've got the Mountain Mauler, the 69 Chevy pickup. That's just the standard one, not the super. And we've got the custom Cadillac Fleetwood. '71 Dodge Charger. We've got a recolor of the 1970 Volkswagen Baja Bug and the 69 Dodge Charger 500. Fast Feline, Audi RS5 Coupe, Datsun 620, the pickup truck. We've got the Big Bel Air, another one of those Datsun pickups, and another Alpha Pursuit. A couple that fell over here. We've got the Circle Tracker, the Formula E Gen 2 car, and we've got the Forward Force, Velosa Racer, Circle Tracker, and the custom Cadillac Fleetwood. Ooh, there's that Audi R8 Spider 2019 version, Too Tough, and the 2010 Toyota Tundra pickup truck. Got another one of the Audis, and the Mercedes-Benz A-Class, and a brand new recolor of the 1991 Mazda MX-5 Miata in yellow. I like that. There's that Cobra again, 427. We've got the 69 Camaro and Roger Dodger 2.0. Range Rover Velar, Grand Cross, and 52 Chevy. Velociracer, 69 Ford Mustang Boss 302. I really like that new casting. And the 2019 Mercedes-Benz A-Class. And our final three cars here. La Fasta, Electro Silhouette, and the Hot Wheels Armored Truck. Let me know in the comments down below which was your favorite car from the 2020 Hot Wheels LKs. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.